So apparently, Klarna and Zoom's CEO used an AI avatar on their quarterly calls so that they could give out their earnings, their financial statements for the quarter of the year. And they're quite happy about that. Here's the good news. Zoom said it's making the custom avatar add-on feature available to all users this week. So if you would like to feel like a CEO, congratulations, you're going to get the same tool. You're going to be able to use Zoom and generate yourself an AI. Do you guys remember? I just want to point out on this picture, you can see it's so frustrating. I'm so frustrated. You can see it on the top right. It's difficult for me to, well, let me see if I can actually zoom in here. I think I can yeah, here we go. So right here, you see that? Created with Zoom AI Companion. On a previous Daily Tech News stream, we went over an article where nefarious actors would initiate Zoom calls for things like interviews or whatever, and they would purposefully name themselves something different when they entered the call on Zoom. And they would literally name themselves like Zoom. They would give themselves just the title Zoom when they entered the call. And then they would say something like, if you share your screen, no, actually they were saying Zoom wants you to share your screen or something like that. It was essentially, they were naming themselves such that when you looked at the interface on Zoom, it looked like Zoom was asking you to initiate a screen share or share other information through its buttons because the name matched what you would expect to see when you're hovering over the button. And some people fell for it, and then, bad things ensued. All this is going to do is further that kind of idiocy. And people are just going to continue to, first of all, come to some form of acceptance that this is just de facto the way it is now, and also fall prey to tactics that use these things because they're going to think that it's built in, it's baked into the system. There's no way this can go wrong, right?